Hey folks, and here's where we left off, and here is part two. Welcome to part two. So, in part one, and I'm here still sick because it's just later in the day, maybe a couple of hours after I made part one. I took a little bit of a break, and here I am with part two. So we left off, this is a vanity, and the vanity has like a little sunken middle part and two sides. On the two sides there are like little drawers, and then at the sunken part, which you'll see at the end, there is a drawer. That drawer I use the most, and that will be the next part that I do. So right now I am here just cleaning up, just dusting it, wiping it down. I am going to get something better to actually really clean it. But for now, like I said, it's a decluttering and not a cleaning video. I just wanted to do it because I could not wipe it down. And that's what I was doing. So I kind of used a microfiber cloth, and then I kind of used a dry towel just to make sure that it was dry. My goal here is to get things that I use on a daily, like grab to. So those are the ones that I do for my face and my eyes right there. My cleansing pads, my Q-tips, those are a daily things that I use. Now here I am decluttering. So each side of this vanity has like little drawers, and it's I think there's two drawers. They kind of swing out. I will show that in another video because I know I have to go through and declutter in there and have it just make sense. This mirror, you probably can't see it properly in this video. I am not sure, but I got it at a garage sale. I think it was $2, and I'm in love with it. I wanted a mirror like this so that when I'm actually putting makeup on, or if I need to see my face closer, I can bring the mirror closer to me. And it's a two-sided mirror that one really zooms in. So I was happy to get that. And this is just me just looking, saying, oh yeah, I need to really, after I'm done this decluttering, focus on properly cleaning this vanity. I wanted this vanity, and my daughters got it to me secondhand because I wanted the whole sit down kind of get ready place, and this is where it is. And so gonna continue with decluttering. I got those charms at a craft fair that we were vending. Well, more my daughter was a vendor than myself. And this little trinket dish is just to house jewelry that I may grab for on a daily if I choose to wear some form of jewelry. I've been having reactions to certain jewelry, so I rarely wear rings and chains and bracelets anymore, but sometimes I do feel like putting something on, so I'm going to keep the things that I know I'll grab for out in that little trinket tray. Everything else I've sorted into categories I need to put away, throw away, etc. I have like a Persona bracelet, which is like a Pandora bracelet. I don't have it anymore, and I need a new one. So I have charms that are there that I'm going to put away. I've kept out like 2 pairs of little gold type earrings, and if I feel like putting on earrings for work or just going out to the store or something, that I could just grab it from that trinket tray. The good thing and bad thing of putting things away for a different time, because you might not use this, good thing is that I open it up and like, oh yeah, I forgot I had this. This is so nice, and this is new, and I haven't worn this. So it's like a treasure. Other times it's like it's just there for so long that you forget you have it and you never get to use it. And I have decluttered before, and I've put it down to these little containers. Not everything, but things that I say that I would use. Instead of a little trinket tray, it was in here. And yes, I put it into one of those little cubby drawers of the Vanity, and sometimes I do forget that it's in there. But like I said, I don't wear jewelry often because of the way it irritates me. And yeah, it irritates, like it's have a reaction, so it's like I get itchy when I wear certain things for too long. So I did kind of somewhat organize it into bracelets and earrings and stuff like that. So I'm gonna put that away and put those back into those little side cubbies of the Vanity, and only have a couple pieces out that I would grab too. So I'm just looking here, focus on, yes, I have to really think about how I'm going to properly clean and polish this Vanity. I love it. It was a gift from my daughters because I wanted it a couple years ago, and here it is. My next goal is going to be the center drawer, and that's where I house like my hair clips and like bobby pins and stuff. And that is the next challenge. Not challenge, but the next declutter. See you in the next one. Bye.